Particularly when the budget is tight, solutions and services that aim at high performance and a long service life are in demand. That is why at this year's InnoTrans, we have also placed the focus on our after-sales offer. We care about your machine. We have introduced Plasser Datamatic 2.0, the new web-based system for controlling and maintaining entire machine fleets digitally. The machine operators are not the only ones to appreciate this high level of innovation. German Federal Railways nominated Plasser Theurer's e⁻³ hybrid drive for the Supplier Innovation Award. We received the Supplier of the Year award in the category Rail Vehicles and Rail Vehicle Parts.
Vielen herzlichen Dank.
Many thanks. I'm very proud to receive this award. Enjoy these impressions from the trade fair and see you next time on Actual TV.